Hi guys, it's Katie. I'm back with Shoes of Hollywood doing some reviews for you today. So let's get started and have a look at my first shoe. You can see I do have plenty of shoes to do behind me. So this one is a black strappy style. And it's got all this packaging here. So I'm just going to take it out. And here it is. So it's got the nice platform at the front and this nice big heel. And I think it just goes around the ankles maybe like that, and then that would just, your foot would just go in here. So I'll have to give it a try. Got a little bit of a grip at the bottom, which is good, means hopefully no falling. Here's the other one. Lots of straps going on here. And before I pop them on, I'm just going to measure the heel to find out what height they are. Now, usually they are measured in inches with heels, so I'm just going to have a look and see that these ones are about a 7-inch heel. And if we have a look at the centimeters for people who measure in centimeters, they're about 17 and a little bit just there. So 7-inch heel for these ones. And I'll have to pull this up just to, so the straps can go around. And then these buckles, I have to tighten these buckles here just because I don't have very big ankles. Let's put that on the smallest one. Perfect, like that. And this one, I'll make it a little bit tighter. Perfect. And this just clips on just like that. So we have buckles all up the front. And I'll quickly tighten my little buckles on the second one so they match. So I'm just tightening this buckle. Sometimes they're a bit tricky when they are brand new. Pull that through. And then this one a little bit tighter. Undoing that. The little buckle's so small, come on. There we go. Perfect. And then this one goes around like that. let's see what these look like in the sun. Let's go outside. Okay guys, we are outside. I just wanted to let you know as well, these straps can all be tightened more, and all you'd have to do is punch a couple holes in here and it would fit perfectly to the ankle. I've just got very small ankles and this is just a demonstration video, so I'm not going to go and punch any holes in these shoes, but just so you know, if you are looking at these, you can just poke a little hole in there and tighten your buckle, and then it would fit a little bit tighter like that, straight to the ankle. But for the purpose of this video, we'll just pretend. Now it's a little bit wet out here, so I'll have to be a little bit careful. Let's head back inside. Okay guys, we are back inside. I'm just going to take these off now, and it's as easy as undoing a little clip just here. This clip as well. And if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. It does really help us and support us if you do hit subscribe. So if you've loved this video, if you could support us by subscribing and thumbs up, we would really appreciate it. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.